Incinerate hops and smoke in the air, past leather-worn faces and glasses drained down to the wood. You sit there at distance, wrapped in that coat of bright gold. Tired old rhythm, a ghost in the neon lit glare of men who are drowning and grasping for whatever they could, while yellow velvet is a curtain on a world growing cold. In this pub that will never sleep, you're a flame that refuses to fade, while hours dissolve in the shade. There are secrets you're destined to keep, no reaching hand, no word to be spoken. Beauty is a cell where silence remains unbroken. Hooks made of glass cast out in hollow desire, with copper-stained promises, desperate and lacking in pride. But you're made of ice in the heart of that burning hue. Hunger of crowds is a ghost that will eventually tire, and you offer no hostage. There's nowhere for them to hide from void that is hollow, from dark that is chasing